to tell. I'm not sure if magugustuhan niyo to, but I will tell you anyway. Actually, what I'm making right now is a tom yum soup. I'm trying to recreate yung ginawa ng husband ko during lunchtime. But, hindi ko siya kayang kainin sa lunch na nagmamadali kasi sobrang anghang niya, guys. But don't get me wrong, ang sarap ng soup. So that's what I'm trying to recreate right now. This is called tom yum goong or gong. I'm not sure if tama ba yung pagkaano to. Kasi it's shrimp based. So what I did was